Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over the Dr. Dennis Gross SpectraLite FaceWare Pro. This one I'm super excited about. I got recently and I've been trying it out, so I want to let you guys know my thoughts, show you first impression, and what comes with the set that I got. But if you're new here, go ahead and make sure to subscribe and we will get right into it. So for the holidays, Dr. Dennis Gross had an amazing holiday bundle, so I had to take advantage of this. This is the Merry Smooth and Bright set. It comes with the red light, which also has like the amber light, blue light in it, mask here. It also comes with the Alpha Beta Extra Strength daily peels, which are great, just like a great step. I love their peels. It also comes with full size bottles of the Advanced Retinol and Ferulic facial serum and the eye serum. And if you guys know me, you know these are two products that I absolutely love. So I knew I was going to get use out of it, and it's all just kind of like packaged as like an anti-aging and prevention bundle. And I am so obsessed with this face mask already. I'll stop talking and open it and give you guys a little look inside. So when you open this guy up, it comes with the face mask, it comes with the peel and the two different serums here. It also comes with a little travel bag that you can put the face mask in to stow away when you're not using it. And it's a great durable material, really love it. And then it comes with a charger. This is like a USB kind of plug. The mask does not come charged, so you do have to plug it in as soon as you want to use it. But this guy, when I got it, I was so excited. It lives up to all the standards that I had hoped from it. It's gorgeous. One complaint that I kept on seeing online was that this strap was not very sturdy. Like, people could not wear it and walk around without this falling off. But honestly, I feel like I've learned how to like finesse it into staying on if I want to wear it and walk around and do things. I just wear like a high bun and kind of tuck it in between these straps. Make sure that these are tied on properly, and I have no issues. Okay, and I did go ahead and charge this for you guys so I could show you the different light features. The power is going to be on the front, and you just go and you hold the light. It turns on and you get the beautiful red light. This is going to be for anti-aging. These sessions are for 3 minutes. Sometimes I'll do up to 3 sessions when I use it, but the most important thing here is just consistency. 3 minutes is not a lot out of your day. As long as you're using this regularly, you should be seeing results. The next one is going to be the blue light therapy. This one is great for blemishes and acne prone skin. Honestly, I don't get that many breakouts, but during certain periods of the month, I will have some like blemishes here and there. But I have to say, since I started using this, I have not had a single breakout. I don't know if it's due to this. I'll keep you guys posted and let you know if there's any correlation, if this thing is a miracle product and I don't get breakouts when I use it consistently. But as of right now, I'm very happy with the results. The next one is going to be the last setting, and this is a combination between the blue and the red light. So if you want to get both knocked out at the same time, you may as well in those 3 minutes do it all together. Honestly, I'm one of those girls that really likes the process of self-care. So for me, those 3 minutes are actually enjoyable. Sometimes I'll meditate when I'm using it. Sometimes I'll walk around. The only bothersome thing about this when I am walking around and trying to do things is the red light or the blue light can be a little bit distracting on the eyes. So it'll kind of like alter my vision a bit. And the first time that happened, I did get a bit nervous that it could have been damaging my eyes or my eyesight, but I looked it up and they said that it actually, the red light therapy can have some benefits to your eyes and your overall vision as long as it's not every single day. So I try to alternate and do some like laying down, meditating, or just closing my eyes. But overall, now I know I don't have to worry, and I am happy with just like the 3 minutes. I'll do up to like 9 minutes with this thing on just to get like the maximum use. So this device has been one of my favorite facial tools to use since I got it, but I have to stress, like, you do not get instant results from using something like this. So if you're going to invest the money in it, make sure that you're going to be using it as often as possible. Every other night, every night's great, maybe once a week, but I'd say if you're not going to commit to it and just kind of like forget about it or use it once a month, it's probably not going to do much. So I advise taking advantage of it and using it. You use it on a clean face after you wash your face. You can also put on like a hydrating serum on your face after washing to enhance the benefits of that when you put the light on your face. I like to apply my SK2 facial treatment essence and then a hyaluronic acid serum onto my face, and then I will do this, and then I'll finish the rest of my skincare after going ahead with 3 to 9 minutes with this guy. And honestly, the quality of this feels really nice. It is really sturdy, so I know it's a steep price for something like this, but I am really happy with A, the results that I'm getting from it, and B, just like the overall build is really nice. I think in the future they could do something different with the straps, but I've been able to manage it fine. I've been able to make it work for me. The charge life on this has lasted many, many uses, so it's not something that you have to charge every time you're using it. It does hold power pretty well, and I, like I said, use mine multiple uses each day, so it holds up nicely. And I haven't been using this for that long. I did get this fairly recently, so this is just kind of like an overall a first impression for me. I am really happy with it. I'll let you guys know if I notice any like extreme kind of benefits from this in my skin after using for a longer period of time, and let you guys know my thoughts there. But overall, first impression, I love this guy. Like I said, one of my favorite things to use right now, so super excited to continue using this and see the results. When you look at the price of this, I feel like you have to think about it in a larger sense. If you were paying to go into a med spa or your dermatologist or someone to receive red light therapy, that can rack up quite a bit and become very expensive. So doing things like this that are more easy and affordable at home are a great alternative, and it's something that you can do consistently every day, and you just have like the one initial investment in this product. There's no upkeep really in this. I haven't heard of anyone having any kind of malfunctions or anything like that. I'm not sure if they have any warranties on it, but overall, I think it's a very clever device. I'll give you guys a quick kind of overview of what comes in here if you do look into getting the Mary Smooth and Bright. Like I said, this is a great way to just kind of get in and try more of the Dr. Dennis Gross products too at a discounted rate. This one is the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. This is a patented 2-step peel with 7 acids to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture, and achieve clinical results at home. I honestly think that that's like the whole appeal of this entire package, is to achieve these kind of results at home, so accessible, so easy. And this again is the 2-step peel that it comes with. It comes with 5 uses of those. You're also getting the Advanced Retinol Ferulic. This is a texture renewal serum, and these ones I use religiously, you guys. This is like one of my favorite products. I love retinol. I love their Ferulic retinol. This is so fabulous. This is the full size bottle that it comes with. You also get the eye serum. And at this point, I already did like a Sephora haul and purchase these items, but I use them so regularly that this has just kind of become backup now, and it's just something I'm so happy to have on hand. So if you are a Dr. Dennis Gross fan, I highly recommend looking into this kind of gift bundle just to save yourself some money. This is the eye serum that it comes with. This is the retinol and ferulic again, and I've said so many times before, I'm not a sucker for eye creams, but this eye serum is something that I will never stop using. I buy this on repeat. I absolutely love it. If you can use retinol on your eyes and it's gentle enough to do so, it is so great with helping with any like fine lines or wrinkles. It's the only eye serum that I've actually seen visible results from. So these two are absolutely fantastic. This does a really great job at like smoothing out any texture on your skin overnight or in the morning. It like shrinks your pores. It really lives up to everything that it says it does. I love these peels. I have another favorite brand of these, but these are always so great to have on hand. I'm gonna link everything down below for you guys, the bundle, the individual items, just to kind of see the different products. If you do want to save money on these products from Dr. Dennis Gross, make sure to check out the bundles. When I bought this, I saved $170 by buying these all together. So make sure to check out his website and see what they have available. I hope you guys enjoyed, and again, I will keep you updated. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. Otherwise, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.